Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to archive WhatsApp chat on your Android device. So let's get started by opening our WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp, we can see a lot of chat here, and in order to archive chat, you need to select the chat which you want to archive. So here I am going to archive this group. So I'm going to tap here. After tapping here, at the top we can see 4 options. The first one is the pinned, the second one is the mute, and the third one, which looks like the symbol of download, that is for the archiving of chat. So we need to tap there. As you guys can see at the bottom that our chat has been archived. So this is how you guys can archive a single chat. But if you want to archive all the chat, then you need to go and tap on the third dot over right top. So I am going to tap here, and after tapping there on the last option, we are going to tap on setting, and after setting we are going to tap on chat, and after scrolling let's tap on chat history. So here on second option you can see archive all the chat. So this is how you guys can simply archive a single chat or multiple chat in a quick and an easy way in your WhatsApp application. So if you guys are wondering why do we need to archive our WhatsApp chat, then according to the patch notes, WhatsApp application archive help us to organize our inbox just as archives help us to organize files in a real world. An archive meaning in WhatsApp is to hide personal or a group chat from our chat list to better organize our list. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, informative, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for the latest upcoming videos like this. Thank you so much guys for watching.